Since Repair Clinic encourages you to perform this repair safely, a warning icon will appear when you should use caution. Before you replace the flywheel in your leaf blower, make sure the engine has cooled. Next, you should remove the wire and boot from the spark plug to prevent the engine from accidentally starting. Rotate the blower tube assembly counterclockwise to detach it from the blower housing. Using a T20 Torx bit, unthread the 10 screws securing the blower cover. Use a flathead screwdriver to release the retaining clip to fully remove the cover. Now use a 3/4 inch socket or a spark plug wrench to unthread the spark plug. Confirm the engine piston is in the down position. Then insert a cord into the cylinder to prevent the piston from moving. You can now use a 1/2 inch socket or wrench to unthread the blower fan blade retaining nut and remove the fan blade. Remove the washer. Unthread the 3 mounting screws to release the engine cover. Next, unthread the 4 screws securing the lower housing assembly. Remove the housing assembly. Next, slide the spacer sleeve off of the motor shaft and remove the washer. You should use a small flywheel puller to help detach the old flywheel. Be sure to align the puller jaws with the sturdiest portion of the flywheel. Install the new flywheel by positioning it on the motor shaft until it sets into place. Replace the washer and slide on the spacer sleeve. Reposition the lower housing assembly and thread the screws. Realign the engine cover and secure it with the screws. Slide the washer onto the motor shaft. Reposition the fan blade, then thread the retaining nut. Remove the cord from the cylinder and rethread the spark plug. Be careful not to damage the threads by over-tightening. Reposition the blower cover on the housing and snap the retaining clip into place. Thread all of the screws. Realign the blower tube assembly on the housing and rotate clockwise until the tube locks into place. Reattach the wire and boot to the spark plug, and your leaf blower should be ready for use.